Hi there, this is Henry Smith. Welcome to the presentation. Today I'm going to show you how to start and grow a profitable AI agency. And if you already have an AI agency, how to take it to the next level. I've got a lot to share. So get ready, turn off all distractions, buckle up, and let's get to it. Let me share my screen. The real blueprint for a profitable AI agency. Stop overcomplicating it. No fancy website. No massive following, no expensive ads, just a precise 5-stage framework. And your first high-ticket client this week. Hi, my name is Henry Smith, a QLM agency partner. A little bit about my background. Marketing agency founder since 2013. Built a 7-figure AI agency from scratch. Regularly network with successful entrepreneurs. High-level consultant to agencies and coaches worldwide, mentored hundreds of entrepreneurs to profitable growth. What I'm sharing today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the exact blueprints I have used to build a multi-million-dollar firm, methods that have generated millions in revenue and granted me total autonomy over my time and location. This isn't theory. It's a repeatable system built for aspiring agency owners who are ready to stop guessing and start scaling. And yes, I'm a proud member of the Millionaires Club, who this training is for, the 9-to-5 employee. You're trapped in a job and craving the independence of running a profitable business on your own terms. The plateaued agency owner, you're stuck under $10,000 per month and can't seem to break through to consistent, scalable revenue. The agency veteran, you're established but ready to streamline your operations, reclaim your time, and finally achieve real financial freedom. No prior technical background required. This model is built for beginners and experts alike, remote first, lean, and highly profitable. What we're covering today. 1. The simple AI agency model. Why this lean approach attracts high-paying, low-maintenance clients faster than any other method. 2. 5 mindset shifts for high-level success. The psychological rewiring that separates 7-figure owners from everyone else. 3. Niche mastery system. How to identify the most profitable markets, plus the 3 specific niches that I recommend right now due to low competition. 4. High profit offer design. How to superstack services and quadruple revenue without adding complexity. 5. Waterfall pricing and sales framework. A foolproof system for maintaining a steady, predictable stream of new clients and closed deals. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. The success stories shared here are the result of dedicated entrepreneurs applying themselves with the right framework, tools, and mindset. Effort is required. The payoff is real. Chapter 1. The 3 fatal errors new agency owners make. These mistakes are costing agency founders months of wasted effort and thousands in lost revenue. Understanding them is the first step to building something that actually works. Fatal error. Number 1. Shiny object syndrome. This is the number 1 reason modern agencies collapse. Owners try to be everything to everyone, offering dozens of services without ever mastering the one that actually moves the needle for clients. Reacting to every new trend instead of staying focused. Marketing on channels where ideal clients don't spend time. Spreading effort thin across too many service lines. Chasing every shiny social platform until burnout sets in. The fix. A focused marketing plan, targeting high-value clients, in a single niche, eliminates noise and accelerates momentum. Pick one lane and dominate it. Fatal error number 2. No predictable client acquisition. Most agency owners rely on hope marketing, praying for referrals or waiting on word of mouth. You cannot scale a business on things you don't control. The hope marketing trap. Referrals are unpredictable by nature. Without a repeatable system, revenue becomes a guessing game. Feast one month, famine the next. Tech overwhelm. Paralysis? Weeks spent perfecting logos, tweaking websites, and overthinking branding, instead of focusing on the only activity that truly matters, getting clients on the phone. The faucet mindset: you need a system you can turn on whenever you need more revenue, like a faucet or tap, controlled, reliable, and scalable on demand. Fatal error number 3, copy and paste marketing. Open any business owner's inbox and you'll find dozens of identical cold outreach templates. When you sound like everyone else, you become a commodity. And commodities compete on price alone. Race to the bottom. Price-based competition destroys margins and attracts the worst clients. Imposter syndrome, repeated rejection, triggers self-doubt and the false belief that the niche is wrong. Stagnation, frustration sets in, and owners quit before the breakthrough ever comes. Chapter 2. The 5 pillars of a 7-figure simple AI agency. 1. Simple AI agency model: lean, location independent, AI powered, focus only on revenue generating activities. 2. Proven niche selection: 1 niche, deep expertise, high LTV clients. The boring niches are your biggest opportunity. 3. High profit offer design: AI services with near 80% margins. Superstack to grow per client revenue over time. 4. Predictable client acquisition: connect, convert, close, waterfall pricing. A faucet or tap you control, not a prayer for referrals. 5. Millionaire mindset: commitment over interest. The 4 C's: bias toward action. Start before you feel ready. Each pillar builds on the last. Miss one, and the whole structure becomes unstable. Master all 5, and you have a self-sustaining revenue-generating machine. Pillar 1. The simple AI agency model. What makes it different? Most agencies fail because they're spread too thin, consumed by non-revenue generating activities. The simple AI agency is lean by design. It delivers exactly what clients want: results, and nothing else. No fancy office required, no expensive ad spend to get started, location independent, work from anywhere. AI and automation handle the heavy lifting, the revenue milestones. $10,000 per month is the baseline, the point where your life genuinely changes. At $20,000 per month, you achieve the financial freedom to do almost anything you want, on your own terms. The minimum viable agency, MVA, framework gets you there faster by eliminating everything that doesn't directly generate revenue. Pillar 2. Proven niche selection. One owner takes 3 years to hit $10,000 per month. Another does it in 90 days. The difference? Niche selection. The boring niches are often the most profitable. Lowest competition, highest need, easiest close. 1. Pick one. Stay with it. Commitment to a single niche. Build authority fast. 2. More specific equals more profitable. Prior industry experience gives you a major edge. 3. Verify the need. Ensure your specific solution solves a real problem in the niche. 4. Check affordability. High lifetime value customers can sustain premium pricing. 5. Target growing markets. Avoid declining industries. Ride the growth wave instead. Here are examples of some great niches: accounting services, air conditioning, alternative holistic medicine, audio hearing aid services, automotive services, business consulting services, business innovation services, car dealer, catering services, childcare services, chiropractor services, cleaning innovation services, cleaning services, computer services, cosmetic procedures, dental services, elderly care services, electrical services, environmental services, estate agents, estate services, eye care services, fencing services, financial services, and there are many, many more. The 3 most lucrative niches right now. My current top picks based on competition levels, client budgets, and demand for AI-powered solutions this year. Alarm systems, high-ticket installations, recurring monitoring contracts, and a customer base that responds exceptionally well to AI-powered follow-up and missed call recovery. Appliance repair, massive call volume, high urgency, and almost no digital competition. Every missed call is money left on the table, which is exactly where your AI receptionist steps in. HVAC, seasonal demand spikes, high job values, and desperate need for better lead management. This niche is underserved digitally and overflowing with budget. Pillar 3, the high profit offer. One focus only. You don't need to be an expert in SEO, Facebook ads, and web design. You just need to deliver one thing: sales and customers. That's the only metric clients actually care about. Traditional social media management is low value. Likes don't pay the bills. Revenue does. High profit service examples: AI marketing, automation, CRM magic, turbocharge. Marketing converts cold leads to hot leads and automatically re-engages every lost lead. AI voice receptionist books appointments and answers questions 24/7. AI social media business owner clone videos, builds authority, drives traffic that converts into leads without the business owner being in front of a camera. AI reputation management builds trust and increases close rates. The margin math that changes everything. Facebook ads. Budget $5,000. Most of that $5,000 goes directly to Facebook. Your margin as the agency is razor thin, often just 10 to 20% after ad spend. AI receptionists and other AI services. Budget $5,000. Your cost to deliver the service? Approximately $500 to $1,000 per month. You keep $4,000 plus. That's an 80% plus margin. This is the power of productized AI services. The AI social media business owner, clone videos, drives traffic that converts into leads, with an AI clone of the business owner giving tips and advice about their business without them ever having to be filming or being in front of a camera. They like that. The AI voice receptionist captures the 60% plus of calls local businesses miss every day, booking appointments and answering questions around the clock. These two are the most impactful services you can offer right now. We show you how. The super stack, selling without overwhelm. Instead of dumping an overwhelming bundle of services on a new client, the super stack method solves one problem at a time, then layers in the next solution once results are proven. This approach keeps clients from feeling overwhelmed, increases long-term retention, and systematically grows your per-client revenue month over month. Two other powerful AI services to offer businesses: AI reputation management, help local businesses dominate their market by automatically managing their online reputation. This AI-powered service monitors reviews across Google, Yelp, Facebook, and other platforms in real time. It automatically sends review request texts and emails to happy customers after every transaction, dramatically increasing 5-star reviews. Negative reviews trigger instant alerts so issues can be resolved before they damage the brand. Businesses with strong reputations close more deals, rank higher on Google, and command premium prices. Now, this is a high retention, recurring monthly service that clients never want to cancel. AI social media management. Offer businesses a fully automated social media presence powered by AI. Using an AI clone of the business owner and other engaging content, this service creates authentic, engaging short-form videos and posts without the owner ever needing to be on camera. Content is scheduled and published consistently across Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and LinkedIn. AI analyzes performance data to optimize posting times and content types for maximum reach and lead generation. This service turns social media from a time-consuming burden into a 24/7 lead generation machine. for your clients.
I highly recommend to use this software infrastructure to run your agency, because this is what I use to run my own agency.
QLM Lead Flow generate unlimited leads for your business. QLM CRM with smart comms to manage and convert those leads, and also has the AI Receptionist, QLM review management software for AI reputation management, and QLM Socials, AI for social posting and AI video, and AI clone creation. Pillar 4, predictable client acquisition, the connect, convert, and close system. Connect. Use a blend of inbound and outbound strategies to position yourself as an authority. Clients should come to you, not the other way around. Convert.
More connections lead to more discovery calls. The math is simple and completely within your control when you have a system.
Close. Word-for-word scripts and proven frameworks eliminate guesswork. You stop pitching and start enrolling. Waterfall pricing. Never leave money on the table. Waterfall pricing anchors your value high with a premium offer, then provides a structured downsell for prospects who aren't ready for the full package. The result? You close deals at every budget level without discounting your core offer. Anchor high, position your premium offer first. The downsell lets clients do some of the work at a lower price point or receive less options. You maintain control of the relationship and the upsell path. Rarely walk away from a conversation empty-handed. Why it works? Most agency owners give up when a prospect says, "Too expensive." Waterfall pricing turns that objection into a starting point, not a dead end. Every conversation has a path to revenue. Next, we move on to
Pillar 5.
the millionaire mindset.
The single biggest differentiator between those who scale and those who stall isn't tactics, it's mindset. Specifically, the gap between being committed versus merely interested.
Interested people do what is convenient. Committed people do whatever it takes, regardless of how they feel in the moment.
The 4 C's of unstoppable agency growth.
Commitment. Make the decision before you feel ready. Every successful owner started without certainty. Courage.
Take bold action in the face of fear. Reach out. Make the call. Send the message. Courage is a muscle.
Capability.
Skills and systems develop through doing. The reps build the competence you need.
Confidence. Confidence is the result of taking action, not the prerequisite for it. You cannot wait for it to arrive. Most successful agency owners experience imposter syndrome. The difference is they have a bias toward action. They move anyway. Are you getting this?
Okay, let's move on to
Chapter 3. What a well-run AI agency actually looks like. Imagine a business that generates leads while you sleep. Clients apply to work with you. You choose who you take on. Your mornings are yours. Your location is yours. This is the practical reality of a fully built, simple AI agency. Not a fantasy, but a system that's been proven at scale. Work whenever and wherever you want. Yes, that's me, in Mexico, Cancun, at the Ritz-Carlton Hotel. You can have whatever lifestyle you choose. I hope to be going back there soon. Maybe you can join us. If you decide to join us, work hard and grow your own AI agency. The agency in a box. Your complete toolkit. To shortcut the learning curve, I'm providing my complete agency training system, the exact frameworks, scripts, and automations used to build a 7-figure firm. Everything is pre-built and ready to deploy.
pre-built software and tools.
Professional conversion optimized tools and scripts you can deploy and customize in minutes. No developer needed. Lead capture funnels, blueprints, automated funnels, blueprints that qualify and capture prospects around the clock without manual effort. Word-for-word scripts.
Proven DM outreach and sales call scripts that eliminate guesswork and dramatically increase close rates.
AI moneymaker prompts. Customer AI prompts that transform standard tools into a high-performing sales and content engine. The QLM tech stack. what you need to run this business. You cannot execute this model with spreadsheets and manual Google searches. The right software stack is what separates a hobby from a scalable agency operation. QLM CRM Smart Comms, $59 plus $99 equals $159 per month. QLM CRM, your central command center for client communication, AI receptionist deployment, automated follow-up, and pipeline management.
AI voice receptionist built-in,
Missed call and callback automation,
full CRM, and pipeline tracking.
This application is a highly comprehensive enterprise-grade customer relationship management (CRM) system. This is a sophisticated all-in-one sales ecosystem designed to replace multiple external SaaS subscriptions like Salesforce, Calendly, DocuSign, and Zendesk by consolidating them into a single software platform. In summary, this is a highly integrated sales and marketing machine intended for agencies or businesses that want to automate the entire life cycle of a lead, from capture and AI voice qualification to final contract signature and invoicing, all within one software application. Then there's the QLM Lead Flow Marketing Suite, $297 per year. Revolutionize your cold outreach marketing. The QLM Marketing Suite by QLM.Direct delivers a comprehensive ecosystem of 4 sophisticated marketing applications, each engineered to address specific challenges in cold outreach and lead generation. Whether you're a marketing agency managing multiple clients, a web designer seeking new prospects, or a B2B sales professional building your pipeline, these tools provide the automation and intelligence you need to scale your outreach efforts. In other words, generate unlimited leads for your agency. Our suite combines cutting-edge web scraping technology, intelligent data management, AI-powered content creation, and automated form submission to create a seamless workflow from lead discovery to initial contact. Each application works independently or as part of an integrated strategy, giving you the flexibility to adapt to any marketing scenario. I'll be showing you a demo later.
Access to QLM Socials, AI and QLM Reviews. Software platform. Starts as $50 per month each.
You get a 30-day satisfaction guarantee on all products. Explore this path completely risk-free.
Use this software infrastructure to grow and run your agency.
QLM Lead Flow, QLM CRM, QLM Reviews, and QLM Socials AI. What's included in QLM Agency Partners? Step-by-step agency building blueprint, how to implement proven strategies using software, web pages, funnels, and scripts. Private community, connect with fellow agency owners for accountability, collaboration, and real-time support. Weekly live coaching,
direct access to expert mentorship every week to keep you moving forward and unstuck.
24/7. Support around-the-clock technical and strategic support, so no obstacle slows your momentum. Spaces in the QLM Agency Partner Program are strictly limited. This is not a marketing tactic. Capacity is intentionally capped to maintain coaching quality. Your 2 choices.
Continue hope marketing. Keep waiting on referrals. Keep tweaking your website. Keep wondering why your revenue isn't growing. Keep competing on price against agencies offering identical services. Stay stuck.
Or follow a proven roadmap. Implement a tested 5-pillar framework. Deploy pre-built systems. Get expert mentorship. Sign your first high-ticket client this week and build towards $10,000, then $20,000 per month, then beyond. The decision is yours. The system is ready. The only variable is your commitment. The 5 pillars at a glance.
1.
Simple AI agency model. Lean. Location independent. AI powered. Focus only on revenue generating activities. 2. Proven niche. Selection. 1 niche. Deep expertise. High LTV clients. The boring niches are your biggest opportunity. 3. High profit offer design, AI services with near 80% margins, super stack to grow, per client revenue over time. 4. Predictable client acquisition, connect, convert, close, waterfall pricing. A faucet, tap, you control, not a prayer for referrals.
5.
Millionaire mindset, commitment over interest, the 4 C's, bias toward action. Start before you feel ready. Key metrics to target in your first 90 days. 1 niche selected. Choose your niche in week 1 and commit to it fully for at least 90 days before evaluating. 7 days to first client. With the right outreach system and scripts, your first high-ticket client is achievable within 1 week. $10,000 monthly revenue goal. The baseline milestone where financial independence becomes tangible and momentum compounds. 80% margin on AI services.
AI receptionist, AI clone. Reputation and automation services cost approximately $500 to $1,000 to deliver against $5,000 client revenue.
Your action plan, start this week. Choose niche, apply the 5 golden rules. Design offer, AI services plus Superstack. Setup, QLM. Install CRM and deploy assets. Launch, outreach. Connect, convert, close first client. The blueprint is in your hands. The only remaining variable is whether you take the first step today or let another week pass without progress. Frequently asked questions. Do I need a technical background? No. The QLM system is pre-configured and designed for complete beginners. The AI tools are plug and play with 24/7 support if you get stuck.
How quickly can I sign my first client?
With the provided scripts and outreach framework, many agency owners land their first client within 7 days. Results vary based on effort and consistency. What if I already have an agency? The frameworks apply at every stage. Established owners often use this system to eliminate low-margin services, raise prices, and reclaim their time. Is there a risk?
All software products come with a full 30-day satisfaction guarantee. If it's not the right fit, you're covered. No financial risk to getting started.
Ready to build something extraordinary?
The blueprint is proven. The tools are ready. The community is waiting. All that's left is your decision to begin.
Get started now. Visit henrysmithmarketing.com or scan the QR code at the end of this training to get instant access to the QLM product system and agency partners program. What you get: free training, proven blueprints, QLM CRM Smart Comms, $59 or $159 per month, plus QLM Lead Flow Marketing Suite, $297 per year, both with a full 30-day satisfaction guarantee. Access to QLM socials, AI and QLM reviews start as $50 per month each. Spaces are limited. The QLM Agency Partners Program caps enrollment intentionally. If you're ready to scale, don't let the opportunity close before you act.
I look forward to seeing you on the inside.
But before that, it's time for a product demo. I want to spend a bit of time showing you the software I use myself and recommend to use to help you grow your business.
Okay. So what we're going to do is just spend a little bit of time talking about the software infrastructure that's going to help you build your business. I'm going to go through these a little bit just to show a little bit about. I'm going to start off with the QLM Lead Flow Suite. So here's the QLM Lead Flow. And basically what it is a software to help you generate leads from the internet. So I would call them level 1 leads. So it works very simply. You simply enter the keyword and then you enter the location here. So you can either do a single location enter the keyword there, or you can do a multi-location, which is the search I've just done, search in many states at once, depending on how many leads you want to generate. And then it will generate the leads here. As you can see here, you see that the total. For example, once it's finished, you can just download it. Let me just go to one I've just done. So this is one I've just done, cleaning services from Minnesota and Mississippi. And like I said, you can either do a single city, single search, search, or you can do multiple if you want to generate a lot of leads. So this particular one is finished. It's done 1,679 leads. Now, some of these are duplicates. Some of these may not have phone number, email addresses. You'll find a majority of them do. So what I'm just going to download this quickly. Export. So you click export. And it takes a while before it generates this quantity of leads. It could take several hours. So you just set it up, and you go away, and then you come back, check it in several hours. When it's finished, it's finished. I'm just going to save quickly. I like to save if I do more than one seed, I like to try and be organized. Okay. The amount is 1,679. 1679. Like I said, many of these will be duplicates and non-email, but I'll show you an easy way to reduce the duplicates, to remove the duplicates. And all emails, all leads, once they're filtered, are useful, whether they have email or not. So I'm going to save this and just go and add it to my collection. Right. So where is it gone? I'll just go and copy it to my collection. So these are the ones I've done so far. Just paste it there. And then I'll just get a new one. So I'm going to get it. I want to start a new search. I have a list of cities that I'm doing in a particular order, states and cities. So I'm now up in New Jersey. Copy all of this. So you can do one by one if you like, okay, or you can, if you just want to do it as many as possible, you can take the whole state. And then where's it gone? So what do I want to copy? Okay, I've got 3 open. By the way, you can see in my screen I've got 3 open, 3 copies of the software open. This one did Montana. This one, but these are on virtual servers. They're Windows-based software, by the way. So I run them on virtual servers, so they can run all night without me leaving my laptop on. But you can run them on a laptop. Okay, so I'm just going to overwrite this, delete, paste a new set. So this is New Jersey, and all the settings are the same. Once you get this software, we have an instructional video to show you how to set it up. It's very simple. You do need proxies. You have to run this with proxies. 5-10 proxies is enough. And I just use the same 5-10 proxies on all 3 software. So you don't have to get 10 proxies for each software. Just 10 proxies, and you just use the same ones in each copy. You're allowed to use on up to 3 computers, so you don't have to. So I'm just going to click send. And the reason I'm showing you my proxies because they're going to expire soon anyway. So that will start as started. So it will be in this mode when I press start, as opposed to, if you look at the other ones, it's finished. This is when it's finished. Okay, if I want to do another one, I'll do another one, but I don't want to spend too much time on this video going through all 3 softwares. So after a minute or 2, it's going to go through Google, goes to their website, gets as much information as it can, and then it puts it down in this area, this white area here, and it fills up, like you can see, these other ones fills up the information, and then when you get this information, the next thing you need to do. Now the Curlum lead flow is just one of 4 software suites. Okay, one of 4. So, for example, let me just go to this page here. Curlum Marketing Suite. So, we've got 4 here. 4 different softwares. Curlum Lead Flow, Curlum List Manager, Curlum Emailer, and the Curlum Form Sniper. So these are the 4. I'm just going to show them quickly. I'm not going into a lot of detail. We have detailed videos on each one. So, so the next one, I think I've got some of them open here. If you want to take that list, Excel, and put it into, no, not this one, to the list manager. Where's the list manager? Here, this one here. We call it the Curlum List Manager. And that helps you remove the duplicates, sort the list, remove duplicates, and filter them. And, I have it so it has emails only, if I want emails only. I'm not going to go through them now, but I have some, again, demo videos that explain step by step how I filter this so that I have just pure email list with email addresses and no duplicates. So this is a great tool for that. It's actually one of my favorite tools. It has a lot of options, as you can see on the right hand side, and it's great because you can put where is it going? You can put all of these lists. For example, I should do it here. You can put all of these. I'm not going to actually do it. Where's the list one? I just clicked on one, didn't I? But really, I could load all of them, every single one, at once. I'm not going to do the filter now, and we'll bring them all in here, and it'll filter them all together. Well, see, and so all of the lists are here. You can see at the bottom. Anyway, so we have an instruction video to show you exactly how this works. So you filter the lists, clean the lists, and then they're ready for the next stage. And so the next software is what we call the Curlum Emailer. Now, before we have the CRM, I just used to use this as a standalone emailer, but now they use it in a very special way. It's connected to the CRM. We connect it to the CRM with a special API key. And one of the things you don't want to do with the CRM is just load, junk emails into it, because you when you actually get the CRM, you do it by capacity. So you want to keep you don't want to put emails that are not valid or whatever. So what I like to do is I put them inside this. I'm not going to do it now, but I'll show you in a future training. I'll put the emails into the Curlum emailer. We're connected with an API key to the CRM. To the CRM. We'll connect an API to the CRM. And then when we send out an email blast to that list, only those who open the email or those who click on the link are transferred into the CRM. That way we get quality, leads into the CRM, and you don't get wastage, and you're keeping your CRM lean and mean. So that's the way I use this now. That's the way I use where's it gone? The Curlum list emailer now. So it's great for that. So that my open rates are really high from the CRM because I've only got people who open emails. I don't get a bunch of people who don't open emails. So my open email rates are very high, sometimes 80-90%. So, but we talk about that technique when you get started. So that's a great tool. Another tool in the suite is the Form Sniper, Curlum Form Sniper. This form sniper, for those who for leads that don't have email addresses, this system can actually go to their website and submit marketing into their form. And if it's good enough, if you do it correctly, they can click on the link and then go to a landing page details for more information, or for a guide, or for a lead magnet, and so on. So it's a great, so it doesn't, because like I said, some leads from the QLM lead flow, some come with emails, sometimes we don't get the emails. We can't determine that. That's why you do things in mass, and you just, you filter what you get. So these are the 4 for the lead generation software. The next, like I said, is CRM Smart Comms, and that is this software. No, it's not this one. So QLM CRM. This is really the heart of your business. So the leads want to get the leads in here. Ideally, you want to get them filtered before they get in here. And this software has so many functions, as you can see at the top, from the normal dashboard where you enter your leads. It has a help desk, so if you want to offer support as you manage your pipeline, you can generate landing pages and normal pages, embeddable forms, segment categories, calendar, booking settings, then one-off email campaigns or sequences, A/B splits testing, reports, remote emailer. This is the one that links to the remote email, is what links. So if I click on this, these campaigns I ran through QLM emailer, and when people opened and clicked the email, they were transferred into the CRM here, and these clicks represented those who had clicked and opened. So only genuine people got into my CRM. But anyway, smart comms, that's to do with the AI receptionist, which I'll cover in a minute. AI chatbots, agreements, invoicing, the products that you make for your inbox, tag triggers, and so on and so forth. You can either attach your own SMTP, or you can buy credits in the email AI data. Automations, drag and drop automations to design a campaign, and so on and so forth. And again, we got a lot of options up here. If you don't want to see all of them, you can go into settings and you can customize the bar, what you want visible and what you don't want visible, or shift them left, right, and so on and so forth. So if you only want 2 or 3 items up here, you can just turn off what you don't want to see. And in this CRM, you have unlimited sub accounts as well. Everyone has their own dashboard and so on and so forth. And you can control what they see, what the sub account members see. So again, we have full training on how to use this. We're still even creating more training because this has so many bells and whistles. But you can get to read about this incredible software. This is the heart of your business. And one of the things I love about it, before I even go show you where to read about it, is managing the leads. Now, one of the cool things is, you want to market to qualified leads. If you want to pick up the phone and call a lead, you want to make sure that lead is qualified first. And this lead scoring column here shows you the status on how qualified that lead is. Initially, when they get in here, they're like a 3, under 10, less than 10. Once they start being active and responding to your campaigns, then they get warmed up, and then they become a 39 or 59. You see, when they turn from red to orange, they're now starting to become warm. Okay, 62. Now you can call a 62 because they'll know who you are. You don't want to call a 3. I mean, you can call a 3, okay, but you'll get somebody who's 62 will know who you are. because they've interacted with your thing. So this gives you the intelligence, marketing intelligence, to know who to call and when. A 40, okay, yes, warm, but a 5, it's got some work to do. But again, you can pick up the call and call a 5 if you want, but you just know, pick your battles, as one person said, pick your battles. So I would go after the 63, I'd go after the 60, I'd go after 62 here. Even the 58, I'd go after 58, and so on and so forth. And, once they turn green, which is once they probably reach 70, 80, 90, you know that this is a hot lead. That's ready. Okay, so this gives you the market intelligence to go after. It doesn't mean it works 100% every time, but you have a higher percentage of success. That's why members are making great strides, because they're not just calling people in random. They're calling people who have proven themselves to be qualified, who have shown that there's someone on the other end. Not only do we filter first of all, then we use this method as well. So that's one thing I love about this software. Again, I can talk for hours on this software. I'm not going to do this in this video. What's the next one? Let's go back. It's that other one. Okay, the smart comms. Wait a minute. Do I go to smart comms? Okay, yeah, QLM, CRM, and smart comms. So QLM, CRM, smart comms. Where's the smart comms? Too many tabs. Okay, yeah. Now this is the AI calling software. This is for calling, and it receives calls. It can make calls, but is for, you're really meant to be using it for inbound calls, helping businesses with their missed calls. So this is an AI receptionist, and you can create an agent from scratch, or you can use one of the templates. There's some templates here. Again, we've got full training on this, full training on how to set this up. It's an incredible piece of software, and it links directly to the CRM. That's why it's called QLM, CRM Smart Comms. There's a link, so you can transfer data. They can talk to each other, basically. You really want to use that. QLM Reviews is our reputation management system, where we help businesses get more reviews, and I'm not going to go into too much detail with that. People click here and leave a review, and you can customize this page however you want for your clients, and they can leave a review and fill in the form and leave a review. You'll learn more about that at a later stage. But reputation management is an incredible service to offer businesses. Again, we have this amazing widget here that helps actually literally convert people into callers, into leads. It converts leads. It's a very powerful widget here. So when they read and they click to call, they can call the business immediately. Very few systems have this. So this is just a demo site, by the way. And then we have the other part of the system where you monitor reviews and reply to reviews using AI. So it's a complete system, and it's a complete system. So I won't go much more to that. Just the last thing I'll just touch on briefly is the social AI socials, QLM Socials AI. So this is a social media marketing scheduling platform with a built-in AI studio for generating AI images, AI videos, and audios to market. You can also use stock images. We have stock images as well built in, and you can upload your own images. And so it's a very powerful software. And you can see, I use it every day. I'm scheduled out. So I have to go back to the calendar. Go back. We'll see. Always scheduled. Not, always scheduled. Back again. Always scheduled. I can go back and back again. It's very, very powerful. Very, very easy. In my main business, I kind of do 6 posts a day, and it takes me 15 minutes. So yeah, my profiles are always full of content. So those are the 4 kind of categories of software we use for building services to clients. And I encourage you to start with the first 2, the QLM lead flow and the CRM, which is Marcom. That's the heart of your business. You can add the other 2 as and when you get clients. And again, you can you'll read about them on the link below. And the first step is to get this one, the QLM marketing suite, and then you can get the QLM CRM. Again, read about it. You can decide whether you want to get it or not, but you can't really build your business without a powerful CRM. And the CRM with smart comms is the best. Like I said, ours is not just a CRM. It has so many tools to run your business, as I showed you above, and everything you need basically to run your business and to help your clients run their business. Again, you can put unlimited sub accounts, so it's an awesome piece of software. I just wanted to show you some of that we use to grow and run our business. Yeah, I'll end that. So just fill in the form below. That will take you to get more access to learn more about these products, and then you can take it from there. Thanks for watching. Oh, by the way, before I go, let me just see what is the one I set up, if it's starting to go. Okay, here it is, New Jersey. So that is started to generate. So that's generated 117 so far. And like I said, we've got a long way to go. It usually takes, it takes several hours. I just leave it overnight, and I come back, and then it's done. Show that this will be different status, and then I download them and add them to my collection. So anyway, thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the inside. Don't forget, we offer full training on this. We offer weekly trainings, so you don't have to worry about the learning curve or whether you understand how to use this. We'll help you use it. We have training, we have help and support, and live training as well. So I look forward to seeing you on the inside.
Ready to build something extraordinary? The blueprint is proven, the tools are ready, the community is waiting. All that's left is your decision to begin. Get started now. Click the link below to visit henrysmithmarketing.com or scan the QR code at the end of this training to get instant access to the QLM product system and agency partners program. See you on the inside.